Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an epic showdown between two dash cameras that will revolutionize your driving experience.
On the left, we have the Ovidissa dash camera, and on the right, the Cosovao Dashcam 4K front dash camera for cars. Let's dive right into the comparisons and find out which one takes the crown. When it comes to video quality, both of these dash cameras pack a punch.
The Ovidissa dash camera boasts an incredible 8K resolution, capturing every detail on the road. It's like having your own personal IMAX theater in your car. Meanwhile, the Cosovao Dashcam offers a stunning 4K resolution, delivering crystal clear footage that will make you feel like you're in a Hollywood movie. Now let's talk about connectivity. The Ovidissa dash camera comes with an app for both iOS and Android smartphones.
With just a few taps on your phone, you can easily access a live stream, download videos, change settings, and even edit and share your footage. It's like having a personal assistant for your dash camera. On the other hand, the Cosovao Dashcam also offers Wi-Fi app control, allowing you to view live footage, replay recordings, and share your epic road trips with friends and family.
It's all about convenience and staying connected on the go. Moving on to additional features, the Ovidissa dash camera comes equipped with built-in GPS, accurately recording your driving location and speed.
It's like having your own personal black box, providing valuable evidence in case of an accident.
Plus, it even has a 24-hour parking continuous recording function with the help of a hardware kit. Say goodbye to worrying about your car when it's parked. Meanwhile, the Cosovao Dashcam offers a G-sensor and loop recording. In the event of a collision or shaking, it automatically starts recording a 15-second video, providing you with valuable evidence. And with its 24-hour parking monitor and time-lapse feature, you can rest easy knowing your vehicle is protected from theft or vandalism. The Ovidissa dash camera is praised for its easy installation, great resolution, and excellent price. Reviewers also mention its high-quality pictures, wide-angle coverage, and easy connectivity to their phones.
On the other hand, the Cosovao Dashcam is appreciated for its good picture quality, easy installation, and user-friendly app.
Some reviewers mention issues with wireless connectivity and slow video downloads, but overall find it simple and effective.
Well folks, it's time to wrap up this epic showdown.
Both the Ovidissa dash camera and the Cosovao Dashcam 4K front dash camera for cars have their own unique strengths.
If you're looking for unparalleled video quality and advanced features, the Ovidissa dash camera is the clear winner.
But if you're on a budget and still want a reliable dash camera with great connectivity and additional features, the Cosovao Dashcam is a fantastic choice.
Remember, it's all about finding the right fit for your needs and budget.
We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with more awesome product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and drive safe.
Thank you for watching Buy Smart, where we help you buy with confidence.
If you have any questions or suggestions for future comparisons, leave them in the comments below.
And as always, remember to buy smart.